How to change your fiscal year end in QuickBooks. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change your specific fiscal year end into your QuickBooks account. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to find all these elements that we need on the settings and also the company information. So we're going to head over QuickBooks, sign in for our account. We're going to head over the header and click on the settings. Once we have clicked on the settings, we're going to click on the account and settings, and we're going to click or select the advanced settings directly like that. Now for the accounting, it is going to be the place where we are going to put the tax year or the first month. We're going to click on edit. As you can see, first month of the financial year and first month of the tax year. So we are going to change it, for example, to January, and we can go and put it as the same as the, as you can see, financial year. So we are going to have it as the first month of the year, which is going to be maybe February, and the next or the first month of tax year is going to be the maybe February as the same one. Once you have did that, we can go ahead and set up the default tax rate and also the accounting method, for example, cash, and then you are going to click on save. After that, we have saved everything and everything is going to be fine by here. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.